Getting USB device not recognized on Windows 10 or 11. Don't worry, it's a common issue and the fix is easier than you think. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix it, whether it's a driver problem, power setting, or just a simple glitch. Let's get your USB working again. So the very first method to fix this issue is power management reset. For that, right click on the Windows taskbar icon, then click on Device Manager. Once it opens, you will see the USB controllers option at the end of the list. Click on the arrow to expand it and double click on USB root hub. Go to the Power Management tab and uncheck the option that says Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Repeat the same process for all USB root hub devices. Sometimes USB ports are disabled to save power. This method should fix your problem. To check if this worked or not, plug out your USB device and plug it in again. If it worked, then congratulations. If this method didn't work for you, now try the second method. Go to your Windows search bar and type Control Panel. You will see the Control Panel option at the top. Click on Open. Once it opens, go to the top right where it says View By. If it's set to category, change it to large icons. Now find and click on Power Options. Next, click on Change when the computer sleeps. Then click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Now in the new window, click and expand USB Settings. Then expand USB Selective Suspend setting. You will see two options, on battery and plugged in. Disable both options. Once you have done that, click on Apply, then click on OK. Basically, USB Selective Suspend puts USB ports to sleep to save power, which can cause devices to stop working. Disabling it keeps all USB ports active, fixing unrecognized or randomly disconnecting USB issues. After doing that, to make the settings take effect, restart your PC, then plug in your USB device to check if it's working. If it's still not working, then follow the third method. Now we are going to reinstall USB drivers. For that, right-click on your Windows taskbar icon, then click on Device Manager. Once it opens, expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Here, right-click on the generic USB hub and then click on Uninstall. Don't worry, it will automatically reinstall after a restart. After uninstalling, your mouse or any device connected to that port may stop working. If you are using a laptop, use the touchpad to uninstall the next generic USB hub driver. If you have a custom-built PC, change the USB port and repeat the same process for all the generic USB hub drivers. Once you have done that, close Device Manager and restart your PC. Now, plug in your USB device again. After following this method, there's a high chance your device will work properly again. If not, now follow the fourth step. Go to your Windows search bar and type Regedit. You will see the Regedit option at the top. Click on Open, and if it prompts you, click Yes to allow. Once it opens, go to the search bar at the top and I will provide the exact location. You just need to go to the video description, then copy and paste that path here and press enter. Now on the right side you will see a list. Double click on Start, and if the value is 4, 5 or something else, you need to change it to 3. This ensures USB storage devices are enabled. If it's already set to 3, then do nothing. If the value is not 3, change it to 3 and save it by clicking OK. Now close Regedit and check if the method worked or not. If not, then try the last and most effective method to solve this issue. For that, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. You will see command prompt at the top of the results. Click on Run as Administrator. If prompted, click Yes to allow. Now you need to type a code here. I will provide this code in the video description. Just copy and paste it into CMD and hit enter. The hardware and driver troubleshooting window will appear. Click on Next and wait while it detects any kind of problem. If there is any issue with your drivers, it will show up and you can easily fix it from there. In my case, there's no issue, so it says troubleshooter could not identify the problem. But if you are having a driver related problem that's causing the USB device not recognized error, this tool will help fix it. So these are the effective methods to fix this issue. Comment below and let me know which method helped you. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful and tech related videos. Like the video and share it with your friends or anyone who needs it. I will see you in the next video. Take care.